So let's go ahead and put it inside of our card. Now you can use double-sided adhesive, or you can use glue. I am a glue person, so I'm going with the glue. The danger of the glue is if you mess up, it's not coming back up. So the only place you're gonna wanna put glue is on this part. Do not put any glue here. And I would highly recommend just doing one side at a time and lining it up, making sure that it is straight and in line with your card base. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's just really line this up so it's not sticking out. There's a tiny bit sticking out. It's just annoying me. And once that side is stuck down, then go ahead and do the other side. So glue or double-sided adhesive, whatever is your choice. I'm gonna put that back up there like that. And then I'm just gonna pull it. I'm gonna look from this side because this side is the side that I can see everything around. And I'm gonna place it down from here. And here we go, the moment of truth. If we did everything properly. People ask me all the time, what glue do I use? This is Bearly Art Precision Glue. It has a little pin that goes in it that keeps it from drying out. And yeah, there it is. So here we go. And so here it is when it's open, and when it's closed, this part should pop back. So it should go like this. And if it's not doing that, just do it, like train it to do it. Like train the card to do what you want it to do. Okay, so now it's working properly. And all I did was close it the way I liked it, and then took my bone folder and reinforced all the score lines, just like this, so that it would do what I want it to do. And hopefully it'll still do that after I put all the stuff in it, but redo this after you put all the stuff in it so that it will do it. So we're gonna open the card, and it's gonna do that, and then when we close it, it's gonna, you see how the folds go in? These two folds go in now. So before they weren't. So now that's what you want. So you want them to go in like that. All right, so now our card is doing what I want it to do. And I like that, because now it's gonna look better, because this part's gonna pop up like this instead of just laying flat like that in the card. See, now I'll probably mess it up, and then it won't want to do it anymore. So don't do that. After you get it trained, don't untrain it. Okay, I digress. So we want to decorate our card. Do we want to do the inside first or the outside first? Let's go ahead and do the outside. From the City of Love, you can buy these die cut packs here, and it comes with just like things that you can use. So I'll be decorating the front with some of these also. So because we decided this is the one that we're going to use, isn't it super cute? I love that. Most of it might get covered up anyway, but I like it. I went into my scraps and I found this square frame, even though it had a circle cut out of it. I put this over the top, and it looks like I can still get like a matte layer out of it. So I'm gonna cut this 1/8 of an inch, give myself 1/8 of an inch border around here to go on our card, okay? So I matted it and layered it. I put some foam pads on the back, and now I'm going to center it on my card. Okay, now we have the front of our card and we're gonna decorate it. All right, so we have the front of our card made, and I have these die cuts, which I may have already shown you. Take them out and put them on the front of this card using some glue. All right, there's still some in here, but I don't need all of them, right? So we have a big flower. I'm not gonna go through all of these with you guys, but I'm just gonna put some out here and we'll just see where this goes. Okay, so you can see we have hearts, flowers, a really pretty cutout key, which I really like. There's a dove. I said I wasn't gonna go through all these, and here I am going through them. Okay, so let me stop right now. So let's take, let me put my card up here. Take some of these and just kind of nestle them into each other on the card. See what we can come up with. Maybe a gift here. And once I get this all nestled together, I won't make you sit here with me while I glue them all down. I'll just glue them and come back with it all glued. I do like the little dove. Maybe he could be sitting on the box or somewhere like right there. And maybe like a sentiment or something like that. I think that would be good with a sentiment. So let me put this down and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I have finished the front of the card. This is what it looks like. Some of them are on foam pads and some of them are flat. Like this one's flat and then this one's flat. Now we will do the inside. So I think I'll start with the borders that we made by just putting them on, because this video was supposed to be out like, oh wait, I had something I needed to do before I did that. So I'm gonna put this one down really quick and get the other one, because when you put this on here, these loop-de-loops kind of stick out the card a little bit. So I'm actually cutting them off. So here we go. If you don't want to do this, just use a different die, but just cut them off. And cut off the circle part here. Okay. It looks great either way, so just do that on both sides. I'm panicking because I was supposed to launch this video like 2 days ago, I told you guys, and I didn't do it, and I feel like I've been a liar, I guess I would call it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this because I don't even keep my word. So I'm really gonna just try and get this done, because procrastinating has been my middle name. And my husband's like, are you gonna do it today? And I'm like, yeah, of course I'm gonna do it today. And then I don't. Okay, it looks like it's a little bit too big right here too, so I'm just gonna cut. See you guys, I'm making a hot mess. Cut. All right, here we go. You want to see someone panicking and stressing, just keep watching. So here we go. Get this centered. It's not centered. OMG. I said this was quick and easy. It really is. The making of it, the structure is quick and easy. The decorating part, on the other hand, stressful. Oh, the stressful decorating portion. But doesn't that looks fabulous? I really like it. And we do the other side. So you won't want, I'll be right back. Okay, I am going to try to finish this as quickly as possible because my batteries are about to die. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is that I did 2 gold mats, and in the paper pack they have these things that you can cut out, and I may have already shown these, and I took 2 of them, I picked them out, and then I cut them to the size of my mat and layer, which is this. So it's like kind of like the same of what we did on the front. And I took a Distress ink pad and I inked it. So this one has inked edges, this one does not. I'm going to ink them right now. Okay, you guys, I'm super stressing. And I'm just gonna ink these. Here we go. And there we go. So just to give the edges something. I've seen a lot of videos with these papers and everyone inks them, so I'm just inking them too. Hey, that's all. And so let's go ahead and mat and layer these on here. And then I'm just gonna mat and layer them onto our little card here. I'll lay it down. There we go. Hopefully they're straight. Do the second one. How are you guys doing out there today? It's a Saturday for me, and if you're watching this, hopefully it's up on a Saturday and not on a Sunday. Oh gosh, but yeah, so right now it's Saturday. I'm trying to finish this one, and I'm just gonna put some foam pads on the back of these and put them on here. Actually, I'm not gonna put foam pads on the back of here because the inside, you know, it already, you know, pops up a bit. And if you're trying to mail this, you are not really trying to pay all that postage. So let's just go ahead and place it down so that it's not bulky. So just go ahead and... This card is really nice though, I will say that. I am excited about using the different products on here and not just using Anna Griffin. I really like this Minte City of Love paper. It's like super, really pretty. So that's really, really nice. And so I just want to embellish this a little bit more. So I'm going to take these leaves. I'm using all of my City of Love stuff on this one card. I might have to buy another paper pack or embellishment pack. I'm gonna put that down. Oh my gosh, right here. And then this one I'm gonna put down just on this side. So cute. I'm gonna have to trim some of these leaves off, I think. But here we go. And then let's just take some of these and pop them on here. So let's take this one, and we want flower here maybe. And ooh, let's put a coffee cup. Let's put the coffee cup up there. Even though there hasn't been not one coffee themed thing yet on this card, we're going to put coffee or tea, whatever you want it to be. And then let's take a heart and stick it. Will it go? Maybe it will go right here. And then let's put some stuff on our little pictures. I do have this. So we could, oh, this isn't staying down. Stay down. All right, so we could, you know, put some words on there. Can you guys see this? There's a lot of things that kind of remind me of Valentine's Day, but let's go with together and forever. Here. Ooh, I like that. We could just leave it, but what fun is there in that, right? Let's see. What about a little bird? Maybe I might have to take that off and yeah. I don't want to cover up his face, so let me put him down a little bit. How about that? What do you think? This is our card all finished. Hopefully you guys like it. I think it came out pretty good in spite of my taking forever to make it happen. And so here it is. This is the front as you saw, and then this is the inside, and this is our box pop-up card. So hopefully you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.